Good morning, ma'am. Yes, good morning. Please come in. Please sit down. I'm here to apply for the assessment qualification for electronic product assembly and servicing and NCU. Okay, sure. May I see yours, please? Okay. Here is your assessment guide. This will be checked on. Yes, if you think you are ready for assessment. Let me check. Okay, since I think you are ready now, here is your application form and please fill it out. After you fill out the form, please give me 3 copies of your pictures, passport size, white background, and good color. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Mr. Lando, you may now proceed to the cashier for the payment. Okay po, ma'am. Thank you po. Okay, you're welcome. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Please have a seat.
I'm here to pay for assessment qualification.
Alright, please take a moment and collect from this receipt. So, you are?
I'm Gemma Orlando.
So, you may now proceed again with the processing of the sir for the insurance of your agency.
Thank you po, sir.
You're welcome.
Please come in. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, good morning again. Do you have your receipt? Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Lando, here is your admission slip. So, Mr. Lando, for the assessment process, you are expecting to bring your own tools and PPEs. However, the assessors will still provide you with the necessary assessment assistance during the assessment process. So, the scheduled date and time of the assessment is written in the admission slips. As you can see, it is later in 2025. Good luck. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. We have an applicant here for electronics product assembly and servicing in situ, and we will conduct the assessment on May 8, 2025 at 8 a.m. in the morning at our assessment center.
Okay, noted, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am.
We have applicants here for the assessment for the electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. We will conduct assessment on May 11, 9:30 a.m. at the center.
Yes, I am available.
Okay, please come to the CA center to sign your appointment and report to our desk lab. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, come in.
Sir, here is the assessment package. Please check it to make sure all the important documents are in here.
Let me check it. Okay, it's already complete and already checked all the documents.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you here now to check the assessment?
Yes, I am here to check the assessment for you.
Where is the assessment area, sir?
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Here are the assessment package that will be used during the assessment.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Are all the candidates now ready?
Yes, sir. It's already complete. I already checked all the documents.
Can I start the assessment?
Yes, sir.